I welcome you the railway museum. So let's see some like important sites or important things to be watched inside the museum. You can see the old fonts which is used very long back. So it may be like a gramophone, I guess. It gives the communication history of railway, which is written in both English and Kannada. Along with that, Hindi also you can observe. See the different like hierarchy and history of different type of trains during the olden era. So that is very clearly depicted with the different old images, and they have framed it very carefully. 25 line fabric exchange that is already mentioned here. So those who are dealing with the mechanical, I think this will be really interesting. The view of slide indication panel is mentioned here. A sample is given for you. You can see the different equipments which are used in railway. That is do not touch the exhibits. Then all the details are mentioned here. Even the old devices which are concerning with respect to the mechanical segments and electrical part, which is already placed over there. So permanent gallery, we can see the different equipments. Even if you post the stamps and photo gallery, that is mentioned over there. Let us move outside. And we have place for photo. The journey of Mysuru Railway Museum when it is established. Even staffs also maintaining very well. You have the place for shopping as well. It is pretty good. Even